you have an array of persons and you have one as an employee, how is the memory arranged? The memory is arranged. Remember the difference between null and a thing that exists? Remember how we have to instantiate things? Like, you notice I say person P1 equals new person, employee E1 equals new employee. Do you want me to blow everybody's mind right now? You guys ready? The data allocated for both of these variables is the exact same. In a 32-bit process, the data allocated for those variables is going to be, did I say 32 or 64?
32.
Okay, in a 32-bit operating system, the data allocated for these variables is going to be 32 bits wide. In a 64-bit operating system, the data allocated for these variables is going to be 64 bits wide. That's it.